I'm Kaylin from the Office of Admissions. Why is University of Portland the place to be? Let me tell you all about it. Located in the beautiful city of Portland, Oregon, you'll find a place to call home. With our campus nestled in North Portland, just 10 minutes from downtown, you'll be able to discover all the treasures of our great city. With its vibrant music, art, sports, and food scene, everything is at your fingertips. Connection to Place is a part of our mission here at University of Portland. Our students participate in invaluable professional and service opportunities all across our city. And with the Oregon coast and Mount Hood just 90 minutes away, you will be perfectly positioned to experience the beauty of the Pacific Northwest. That feeling of connection is well established at UP. With 3,000 undergraduate students, we're small enough to create a tight-knit community, yet big enough that you'll be constantly meeting new people throughout your time on the Bluff. The impact of our size is especially clear in the classroom setting. Our average class has just 17 students, so you'll get personalized attention and face-to-face time with our fantastic professors. Here at UP, everything we do is grounded in our Catholic Holy Cross mission to educate the hands, heart, and mind. We're committed to the development of the whole person, preparing our students to lead lives of purpose and build a more just world. Our academic rigor provides our students with not only success in the classroom, but also in the professional world. Here at UP, we emphasize hands-on learning experiences to learn practical skills which will set you apart. The numbers speak for themselves. We have the highest four-year graduation rate in the state of Oregon and are consistently ranked as a top university for return on investment. Students in our largest program on campus, the School of Nursing and Health Innovations, gain hands-on experience in our simulated health center, practicing real-world skills on mannequins and hired actors. In their upper-level years, they work clinical hours in healthcare settings, making them highly prepared and sought after upon graduation. In the School of Business, 100% of students graduate having completed an internship and participated in some sort of international experience, emerging from UP with the tools they need to thrive as ethical and innovative leaders. Students in the Shiley School of Engineering use the newly built Shiley Marcos Center for Design and Innovation. Equipped with a digital lab, a makerspace, a fabrication lab, and more, students not only dream up new designs, but also see those designs come to life. In the School of Education, students get classroom experience from their very first semester at UP and shift to full-time student teaching before graduation. Finally, the College of Arts and Sciences houses interdisciplinary majors in the natural and social sciences, performing and fine arts, and humanities. Students excel in pre-health and pre-law tracks and perform groundbreaking research with faculty each year. All fields of study at UP are paired with our liberal arts core curriculum, grounded in Catholic teaching, which gives students a holistic education and a foundation for success. Now, you might be wondering about what it's like to be a pilot outside the classroom. With our robust residence life, various student clubs, and global study abroad opportunities, you can find ways to get involved and find community no matter who you are. On our campus, Pilot Pride runs deep. As one of the smallest Division I schools in the nation, we are proud to be a sports powerhouse. Whether you're on the field or cheering in the stands head to toe in purple, you'll be a pilot now and forever. Want to find out if University of Portland is right for you? Apply! Our application is short, simple, and completely free. Visit up.edu/apply to learn more. Once you apply, you'll be eligible for a number of grants and scholarships that can help make your dream of being a pilot a reality. In fact, 99% of students receive financial aid or scholarships at UP. Come see the magic of the Bluff in person and schedule a tour with us at up.edu/visit. We can't wait to see you soon, and go Pilots!